Welcome back to my channel Learn English with Sapnali. তোমালোকে কিতাপখন খুলি লোৱা যোৱাটো ভিডিঅ'ত আমি The Joy of Helping lesson to পঢ়িলো আৰু বুজি পালো এবাৰ activities লে আহা number 1 activity কি আছে চোৱাচোন choose the correct alternative from the following option চাৰিটা অপচনৰ পৰা কোনটো কাৰেক্ট হেতু আমি চুজ কৰিব লাগিব A The headmaster was talking about. Headmaster কি বিষয়ে কৈ আছিলে প্ৰথমটো 1 হল flood damage 2 soil erosion 3 earthquake disaster 4 deforestation কোনটো কৈছিলে third number 2 A answer হল 3 number 2 earthquake disaster এবাৰ B The headmaster sought contributions from teachers and students. 1 whole to help the flood affected people, 2 to organize a function at school, 3 to help earthquake hit people, 4 to go for a picnic. Correct answer is number 3. B answer is number 3 to help earthquake hit people. C Raju thought of contributing. Raju ki dim boli bhabile 1 bread butter and fruit bread biscuits and fruit 3 clothes water and money 4 water biscuit and bread number 2 is the correct answer C 2 D the contributions were carried to the earthquake affected area in jikhini contribute hol hekhini earthquake affected area le kihere loi joa hoisil 1 a cart 2 a goods van 3 a mini truck 4 a tractor correct answer is a goods van D answer whole number 2 E the team members of the school felt very school members bilake jikhini team to asile dhanar kenekwa lagile feeling to kenekwa hol 1 happy to help the people in misery 2 funny at helping the people in misery 3 sad to help the people in misery 4 worried about helping the people in misery correct answer is 1 happy to help the people in misery answer 1 now F when we help someone we always feel jetia ami karobak help koru ami ki feel koru number 1 miserable number 2 happy number 3 sad number 4 funny correct answer is happy F option 2 is correct well now next page activity number 4 laha this number 4 choose the appropriate meaning of the underlined words from the given below sentence bilakot kisuman underlined word ase word to tolot kola astana ase tar correct meaning to ami option apra uliabo lagibo the number A etu question number 4 number activity A the earthquake destroyed many areas of our neighboring district destroyed or meaning to ki hobo ya pra uliabo lagibo 1 broke 2 moved 3 built 4 damaged correct answer damaged so A correct answer whole 4 number option 2 B the teachers and students then left for their destination destination here refers to destination or meaning ki 1 the playground 2 their school 3 distant village 4 earthquake affected place correct answer is number 4 earthquake affected place B4 C they were very sad to see the plight and misery of the people option 1 playful environment 2 difficult and sad situation 3 happy situation 4 faces C correct answer is 2 difficult and sad situation. Next is D. Everyone was very grateful to the volunteers for their help. Grateful, meaning of grateful, we have to choose from here. 1. Satisfied. 2. Happy. 3. Thankful. 4. Joyful. Correct answer is thankful. Number 3. Option number 3. Forgot? Now let's see. Number 5. Past number 2. Past number activity to liya hu. Eta butterfly ase, tat ketaman word ase. Sincerity, bravery, happiness, kindness, honesty. Yat khali thai pur koribo laibo ei word kita di. A kind man shows kyobo kindness. Kyobo kindness. Kindness. 2 to number 1. A happy man shows happiness. 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 Number 3. A sincere person shows sincerity. Number 3. Sincerity. 4. A brave soldier shows bravery. 4. Bravery. Bravery. 5. An honest man shows honesty. 5 is honesty. 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 This activity is over. So, ajir karne imane. Thank you.